Hello students, I welcome you back to my channel. In today's video, we will learn what is liability. Liabilities are basically what you owe. What is your obligation to pay is what is called as liability. Liabilities are basically those which are to be repaid back after a certain period of time. Now, what is the certain period of time? Liabilities are further being classified into two, short-term liabilities and long-term liabilities. If what you owe is supposed to be repaid back within a short span of time, that is a period of 1 year, then it is called as a short-term liability. But if you are supposed to repay it back after a long period of time, that is after 1 year, like let us assume you have taken a loan from the bank and the credit period of returning a loan is 5 years with you. You are supposed to repay back after a period of 5 years. Then this type of a liability is a long-term liability for you. So liabilities are of two types. One short-term liability, another long-term liability. Now what are these short-term liabilities? If I purchase the goods on credit, like I purchase the goods on credit, I will pay for these goods on the future date. But I have obtained the credit period of only 6 months. So I am supposed to make a payment of these goods within a short span of time, that is within a period of 1 year. So this type of a liability is my short-term liability. The goods being borrowed on credit is my short-term liability. And if I obtain a loan from a bank, which is to be repaid back with after a period of 5 years also, after a period of 10 years, because I have obtained the loan for a long period of time, then this type of a liability is called as long-term liability in the business. I hope both the terms short-term liability and the long-term liability is clear to you. Now let me just give you some examples. What are the short-term liabilities and the long-term liabilities in the business? Bills payable. I will be explaining you the term bills payable in my next video. Is a short-term liability. Bills payable is my short-term liability. Then loan from the bank. The loan which I have taken it from the bank for a very long period of time is a long-term liability for my business. Loan taken by the company from any financial institution for a long period is again a long-term liability for the business. Debentures, bonds issued by the company for a long term are again long-term liability for the business. Now, let me give you some examples of short-term liability. One other example I have already given it to you is a bills payable. Creditors. Creditors is what from whom I have borrowed to purchase the goods on credit. I'm supposed to make a payment to them within a short span of time, that is within a 1 year. So it is my short-term liability. Bills payable. Bills payable is a short-term liability for my business. Bank overdraft. The outstanding amount, the overdraft which I get on my bank account is again a short-term liability for my business. So these type of liabilities are short-term liabilities. So I hope it is clear to you what is short-term as well as what is a long-term liability in the business.